This video will show you how to format text in your Excel worksheet. I'm on my Dragon Tests page and I have a column for instructions, and I'm going to click in my first one. Now I know that I've put information in this column that is numbered instructions, and it should be all inside the cell on separate lines. I've just made it a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. So when I look at it, the text is falling out of the cell and it's not formatted properly. So the first thing I'm going to do is wrap text in the cell. So actually I want to do that for all of the cells in this column because they're all going to have a lot of instructions in. If you want to do this for just one cell, highlight the cell. If you want to do it for a whole column, you can click at the top of the column and it will highlight the whole column. I'm then going to right click and go to Format Cells. I can also access that through the Home menu, and in the Cells section go to Format and Format Cells here. This brings up a Format Cells pop-up with several tabs. I need to go to the tab that's called Alignment, and in the text control section there's a box that says Wrap Text. I want to check that box and click OK. Now those cells where the text fell out have wrapped the text so that the text is all included in the cell. Another thing I might want to do to make it look better is to make that column a little bit wider. To make columns wider, I can drag left and right, or I can again highlight the whole column, right click and select column width. At the moment that column, well, it was 30, because I've just messed with it, it's a little bit less. I'm going to select 40 and click OK. That just gives the text in those cells a little bit more space. So that's two ways that you can improve the formatting of your text within a cell. You can wrap the text so that it doesn't fall out of the cell, and you can change the column width.